What's up, guys? It's Austin here, and I did want to go over the DJT chart. Obviously, if you're in this play this last trading week, not a great week for you. On Friday, DJT dropped almost 14%. So, massive swings from the upside to the downside, especially the downside this week. And I did want to go over the chart real quick. Now, looking at First off, I want to just mention that this stock is incredibly volatile. So if you're playing this to the upside or the downside, just know that price action doesn't really respect trend lines or doesn't respect a lot of things. Like, I feel like this stock runs its one huge catalyst, and it's mostly going to run off of news and sentiment, right? So when I'm looking at the chart here and doing some technical analysis, don't rely too much on TA for this. I just want to show you what I see and personally what I think is going to happen. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say that first. But now let's go over the chart. So if you look at this massive swing we had in the past month from September 24th all the way up to October 24th, which was last Tuesday, we saw, let me grab the price range tool, we saw a massive swing to the upside of $42. That's over a 350% gain in the underlying of DJT stock. Obviously, we saw some massive downside this last week. And I think it's because it hit that psychological number at 55 and just, saw this massive sell-off here. There's rumors on Twitter going around that Trump might have been selling some of the stock, and I don't know if that's true or whatever. But, in terms of the election and, political beliefs aside, I'm just doing this play based strictly off of my technical analysis of this chart, and as well as probably one of the biggest stock catalysts we've had for a couple of years now. So, from Tuesday to Friday, we saw a pretty much like a 50% sell-off here. So, again, if you jumped into DJT on Monday, you took a big loss because that's a massive swing. Now, another thing to note is that the IV for options is almost 400%, right? So these massive swings aren't going to affect you as much as, like, say, NVIDIA or Apple call options would. But nonetheless, still going to take that. You still would have taken a pretty big loss last week. Now, I think that we see a reversal here. I think we're going to see a reversal here. Now, there's a couple reasons why, okay? But this is what I think is going to happen. We're going to see a V-shaped recovery in... Oh, shit. Sorry. Let me redo this. I think we're going to see a V-shaped recovery into election here, right? Remember that we have an election catalyst on Tuesday, okay? So I think we're going to see a swing back. Now, here's the thing. If I take the fib retracement tool from the swing highs here all the way down to the swing lows, here you can tell that we are sitting in what's called the golden zone. Okay, so let me draw this out real. This is a good buying opportunity based on technical analysis alone. This is a great buying opportunity. Okay, so again, there's a good chance that price is going to respect this golden zone and reverse here. Okay, now if Monday continues to sell off, we could see 28. And again, this stock strictly runs off of its one big catalyst, okay? There's not really any value in the stock alone. So it wouldn't surprise me if we continue to see a massive sell-off to see this back down at $12. I don't think that's what's going to happen, but it is possible. Okay, just want to note that. Now let's zoom in real quick. Actually, let me zoom out real quick. When in doubt, zoom out, right? And I just want to show you a couple things. Now, if you look at past historical data on DJT, you can see that, I mean, the way that this stock moves is just, I mean, it's just crazy, right? So if we look at the past, we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, and if you count some of these smaller corrections, there's even more V-shaped recoveries in the past, right? So just right here, we have 6 V-shaped recoveries, right? That's why it would not surprise me, especially running into the election, to see another one right here, okay? Especially if it respects that golden zone. And, yeah, so that is why I'm playing DJT to the upside. Again, I think, let me zoom in real quick and just show you that on the 15-minute on Friday, I think this might be a true bottom, at least for now. And we're probably might see a reversal here, is because when I'm looking at the 15-minute chart here on Friday's price action, you can see that buyers were stepping in here, right? Buyers were stepping in here, and buyers were stepping in here, okay? So there's a good chance that there is going to be a reversal here. Now, a couple other things is when I'm looking at DJT, I did see, now let me just pull up the Twitter real quick. A couple other catalysts that could potentially be in play here. And again, the sentiment alone can drive this stock, right? Sentiment alone can drive the stock. I see a ton of people extremely bullish on DJT heading in to the election. So again, this could be a rocket. It could be a rocket. Another thing I did want to say to the upside, or show you guys to the upside real quick, is the potential I see in this stock, right? True upside potential if, what am I doing? Okay, let's see. Right. Okay, true potential upside that I see if the catalyst does play out, right, is liquidity could seek to take out this all-time high here, which is sitting at $79. Okay? That is the upside that I see for DJT running off of the election. Okay? I just wanted to say that is the true top, in my opinion. Now, I did see on Twitter that there might be a potential, right? Now, this could be tinfoil conspiracy type stuff, but I have been hearing that Elon does want to buy DJT to somehow integrate into X. Okay, Twitter. X, not Twitter. I don't know why I keep saying Twitter. It's one of those things. Can't get it out of my head. So there is news going around that Elon potentially could buy DJT to integrate it with Twitter. If that happens, this stock is gonna run. So, you know, be on the lookout for that. Where did I see this news? I saw this news somewhere. DJT Elon. Okay, so right here, True Social stock boom fueled by chatter of possible sale to Elon Musk. So again, people are speculating that at some point Elon Musk is going to integrate DJT, Truth Social, onto Twitter. So that in itself could be another catalyst. But yeah, I mean, that's basically what I have on DJT. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment any questions you have. And also, I'm just now putting out a Discord that we put together. So if you do want to join the Discord, click on the link in the bio. And yeah, I'll see you then.